Pops here. I'm in the playroom, and we have to clean up because I made a mess. Okay, so whenever you make a mess, you gotta clean up. Clean up, clean up, everybody, everywhere. Yeah, so let's clean up here, okay? All right. Got to put our toys up. I got this ball here. It's on the floor. I got to put it in the bin. I put already the soccer ball I had. Then I had this football I was playing with. And I just made it a mess. And I put them there already. And then I also have this guy right here. I have this guy right here. Panther guy. I gotta put him back. Stay in the box. In the box, everybody. Okay? And I have little Fluffy here. It's Fluffy. Hi. Say hi, Fluffy. Hi. How are you? I'm doing fine. My name's Fluffy. What's your name? I can't hear you. Let me run over here. You want to see me closer? Okay. Right here. Hi. My name is Fluffy. And I'm having fun. I'm playing with DJ Pops, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, okay? We're gonna clean up though, because DJ Pops said we gotta clean up, but he's gotta listen to his parents, and everybody can have fun, okay? So, let's help him clean up, okay? Clean up. All right. See you later, alligator. That's my Fluffy. I like when he talks like that. See you later, alligator. That's Fluffy. Fluffy, I gotta put you in. I gotta put you away. I don't want to put you away though, cause I wanna play with you. Hug you a little bit. I like your eyes too. You got the little eyes. See? Got the big eyes. Nose. That's Fluffy. Alright, Fluffy. Bye-bye. Let's see what else we have. Okay. Oh, look at this. I found a dinosaur. Look. This one, you gotta look at closer. It's a dinosaur. I forgot the name of this dinosaur. I forgot what his name is. He's not a raptor. Oh, he's missing his arms. Somebody pulled his arms off. Probably was me. I better find them. Okay, dinosaur. Bye. Bye. See you later. You see one of these things? It's a popper. You pop the buttons in here, see? This one looks like that. And you push the buttons inside. They say this helps kids focus or something. I don't know. You push them through, then you push them through. Oh well, put him away. Next. We're getting cleaner. Look at the floor. Oh no. I left a bottle of water in here on the floor. My mommy finds out. She's gonna be upset because I keep on making a mess. She says, clean up. I say, okay, I'll clean up. But can't spill the water on the floor. It'll be wet. You don't want it to be wet. No way. No. All right. Well, I think we did enough cleaning. cleaning right now. I'm gonna go on the other side and clean up a little bit too. Hold on. DJ Pop's here. And we're cleaning up the other side of the room. Oh my goodness. Oh, I bounced my head. Ouch. I hit my head on the chair. There's so much stuff in here I gotta clean up. Make it better. I gotta get this chair out the way. DJ Pop's here. Here we are again. And I'm back on the floor. I gotta clean up. I gotta clean up all this mess I made. I have this box. I gotta put it in the box. Where's my box? Behind me. Put it here. And then I have the Monopoly game right here that I had in my hands. I gotta find the lid, and I'll put that up. I'll push this to the side for a minute. And then I have this basketball. You saw me the other day playing hoops, and we were counting with the numbers with the basketball. I have that right here. Let's see if I can throw it in the basket. Yeah! Score! 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 He scored! Yeah! Alright, let's see what else. What is this hanging here? Oh, this is a scarf. This is a scarf here. I gotta throw the scarf. I gotta put the scarf up. I'm gonna put it back on the dresser. Anyway. What else did I find? Oh. What about this? Look at this guy. What is this? It's a keyboard. It makes good sounds and stuff. You can learn how to play the keyboard. See if this works. Oh, it's making sound. I like this. I like this. Let me see. Yeah, you like that song? I'm a DJ, and that don't sound like good tunes. I learned the tunes. I learned how to play. If you play all the white keys, it's in the right tune. It's in the key of C. That's what they taught me. You like that song? It goes. We'll get back to that later because we got a lot more to show you with the keyboard. It's real fun. You got to get one. It's real. One of them. It's kind of cheap when you buy it at the store, and all you have to do is put batteries in it, and you can play it anywhere in the whole house. You can play it anywhere, and you can take it with you in car rides. You can take it with you wherever you go. You always have music and a happy melody. I like happy melodies and songs and stuff like that. I like playing with the music. It helps you occupy your time with something good, right? Alright, well, I think I'm done cleaning for now. And then we'll be back later, okay? Let me put this keyboard in the box. Okay. We're finished. See you later. I'll see you on the next Pop channel. DJ Pop's channel, that's right. The Pop's house. Alright. See you later. Alright, bye, boys and girls.